Today's tutorial will teach you how to convert a PDF file to Excel format using PDFelement. This important feature will save you countless hours of duplicating tables and charts by hand. Let's get started. Drag a PDF document into PDFelement to open it. Navigate to the File tab and select Excel under the Export menu to convert. Or you can navigate to the Tool tab and select Batch Process, then go find the PDFs you want to convert and click Add or drag them into the program window. Remember to change the format into Excel. Finally, click Apply and choose a place to save your files. The pop-up window will be opened automatically once your converting process is complete. Now you know how to save time converting PDFs by using PDFelement. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Click the link in the description to try more powerful and professional features of PDFelement for free today, and thanks for watching.